To Vlogmas 2018. We are doing the calendar unboxings in today's video. That's what this video is all about. And we are on day 3. Ooh. Let's go straight into it. I'm going to go straight into my Glade calendar. And we are going to see what we are going to be opening today. And we are on day number 3. So I need to find number 3. Number 3. I like to sing to you guys when I'm looking because I know that it's boring when you just start waiting for some. Oh, I can't find it today, you guys. So far, we've done really well at finding them. But today, literally, there is no number 3 on here. Ah, I found it. It's just kind of hard to see because of the picture. That's my excuse anyway. Oh man, I need to stop stabbing the candles with the scissors because that's never a good idea, is it? Oh, okay. Interesting. So I'm actually really glad that they've done this. They're not actually just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is actually the one that we got on day 1. And it is, well, I think it is anyway. It's the winter pine one. I'm assuming that the other one, the mulled wine, is going to be either green or red. Probably red. Obviously, I know wine is red. I was just thinking because the other one was purple that they might want to be more of a different colour. But it probably will be red. But yay, I love the smell, it's really, really nice. And let's move on to the next calendar. I'm going to go in to the one that I made myself, which is the old Body Shop packaging. And day number 3. Ooh, so day number 3 is very similar to what we got yesterday. And it's just another one of these chunky glitters. And this one is in the shade Summer Dreams. Oh my god. These are really like holographic and pretty. I love it. So that's what we got in there. Then we're going to move on to the sleek one, which is right here. And let's find day number 3. This one can be confusing because some of them are numbers and some of them are words, like the number written in a word. But this one is just a number, number 3. I'm trying not to like break things with the scissors by just like stabbing it in, but it is hard. Especially when you're as excited as I am. Ooh, I think I'm seeing a lipstick. Have any sleek lipsticks? I don't have that many sleek products, which is why I thought definitely gonna get the calendar. I'm pretty sure I wanted it last year, but it was sold out. So very excited that I could get it this year. Ah! Oh, it is a Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade Feels. It gives me the feels, you guys. So I haven't used these before, but I do believe smells of nothing. I'm having things that don't smell of anything lately and it's freaking me out a little bit. But this is just a matte lip cream. I don't think it's going to be like a matte lip that dries down completely, like no transfer. I think it's going to be more like the NYX ones, like the NYX soft matte lip creams and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try that out. It's just a cute nude colour. Anyone who's got that would probably like it. Everybody can wear a bit of nude, you know what I'm saying? So let's move on to the next one, and it is going to be this Soap and Glory one. The Soap and Glory one. Soap and Glory. Another thing that I don't have that much of, so I'm actually really excited to be getting into these calendars where it's products that I probably haven't tried before. And the hilarious thing is that the item I've just opened right now, I have about 5 of this specific item, and it is the hand food. I will not be opening this. I will gift this to someone. I will either gift it to someone or I will do a giveaway with it. But I do have like 3 or 4 of these from like past calendars or past boxes or just past like gift sets. This comes in most of the Soap and Glory gift sets. So. But it's just the hand food by Soap and Glory. Let's move on to the Elle one. This is Elle Magazine's very own calendar. And day number 3. There it is. There it is. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm saying, but I found it. I found it. So yeah, this one seems to be the most difficult one to get into. We freaking got it. Oh, I'm so excited for Christmas, you guys. Like, I am going for it this year with Christmas. I'm sick of, like, humbugs and stuff like that. Oh, Dermalogica. Oh, it says things on these, you guys. For God's sake. I want more kindness, Hillary Clinton. I'm really sorry that I haven't been reading them out to you guys, but I don't think that you're missing out on much, if I'm being honest. So, don't worry about it. Like, just be chill. Just be chill. It's fine. So, I just need to break this sealy thing on here. Haven't used Dermalogica before. I've heard of it. But this is a daily, oh my gosh, a daily microfoliant. What does that mean? I'm guessing it's just like an exfoliant. It's a powder. It's a powder that doesn't smell of anything. Have I lost my sense of smell? I've lost my sense of smell. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's still there. This is a powder, you guys. What the heck? Like, what do I do with this? Put it in my hair. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. What the heck? Rice-based powder activates upon contact with water. Okay. Releasing. Okay, so I guess that is so weird. Dispense into wet hands and create a paste. I'm so doing a video on this, you guys. We are doing a video on that. Definitely. So keep tuned, stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled, whatever. Just make sure you're here. Hit the bell button, make sure you subscribe. It's all going down. Yeah. Moving on to the next one. We're going to go into this beautiful Body Shop one right here. And we're gonna go and find day number 3. I've already found it. It's right here. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh. Okay. What's this gonna be? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, have I been reading the things to you guys? I don't know if I read it to you yesterday, but this one says, grow your own plant window box herbs to please your planet and palate. If I'm being honest, like, I love the sound of that. I'm on a new spiritual path, you guys, and I need to start growing herbs. Yes. Oh, what do we have here? It's the mascara. So this is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara. I'm seeing 2 sides to this. So it is going to be like the Fibre Lash Mascara. And so yeah, I will be trying that out. Also, this is probably going to be like a Makeup Monday video. So I can literally, first impressions, try this out with you guys. We have the mascara and the fibres, so stay tuned for that one. Next up, there are 2 left, right? We haven't done this one yet. So let's move into the Glossy Box one. Day number 3 is right here. Oh, come on, my darling. You can do this. I just love the colours. Oh! I love the colours in this calendar. These ones don't say anything on, so I haven't been, like, missing you guys out on what these ones say. Oh, by the way, my lovelies. Cheers! Ching, ching, ching! And let's open this beautiful box. Ooh. Oh, it's a Yankee Candle. Did I get a bit excited then? Oh, it's a Yankee Candle in the flavour Perfect Tree. Ooh! Oh! That's very different to anything I've had before from them. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm really getting into like candles and incense and things as well, you guys. Again, I feel like I go in and out of my spiritual phases, and now I'm 30, it is time to stop messing about and get on with it. By the way, there might be a changing of the name going on, and it might have already gone on. If it has, then you guys already know about that, and I've probably already done a video about it, so yeah, fab. Moving on to the final one, we have the Look Fantastic one. Ooh, and it is, oh, so this is an item that is thrown about all over the place when it comes to subscription boxes and calendars, and it is the Percy and Reed Hair Wonder Balm. I think I actually have the Wonder Balm. I have a few different Percy and Reed products that I have received. I'm sorry that it's so bright. I have to have the lighting so bright, so it doesn't really work when I put things close, but yes. I do have quite a few Percy and Reed products that have come. I've never bought them, let's put it that way. In fact, one even came free in a magazine one time. How crazy is that? But this is the Wonder Balm. So I I need to start using things, you guys. So that is my plan. I am going to start using things. So 2, 4, 6, 8. That's everything for day number 3 of Vlogmas 2018. At least the calendar unboxing. Anyway, you know there'll be a video later on because there are going to be 2 videos every single day throughout Vlogmas 2018. I love you guys so, so much. If you are not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and join us every day throughout Vlogmas for 2 videos. It's so exciting. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you in the next video tomorrow or tonight. Love you.